For years, I was a night owl who hated mornings. Bed at 2 a.m., wake up at 9 or 10 feeling like trash, drag myself through the day, repeat. I tried everything: melatonin, blue light glasses, sleep hygiene tips, and nothing stuck. Then, last month, I followed a simple 7-day plan that completely fixed my sleep schedule. I now fall asleep by 10:30 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. naturally, refreshed and ready. No drugs, no suffering. Here's exactly how I did it. I used to think bad sleep was just who I am. I'd stay up scrolling, watching one more video, telling myself I was more creative at night. The truth? I was addicted to late-night stimulation and paying for it every morning with brain fog, mood swings, and zero energy. My job performance slipped, my workouts suffered, and I was always playing catch-up. Then I decided enough was enough. I committed to a strict 7-day reset based on circadian science. Not some extreme hack, but small, consistent changes that compound fast. Here's the exact plan I followed, day by day. Day 1, the hard cutoff. Set the anchor. I picked a non-negotiable bedtime, 10:30 p.m. Not around 11, not when I feel tired, 10:30 sharp. I set an alarm for 9:30 p.m. called Wind Down and one for 10:00 p.m. called Lights Out. At 9:30, all screens off, no exceptions. I dimmed the lights, put my phone on grayscale and do not disturb in another room, and read fiction, paper book only, for 30 minutes. At 10:00, lights out, no phone in bedroom. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. regardless, even if I only got 7 hours. The key, no snooze, feet on floor immediately. Day 2, morning light exposure, reset the clock, same bedtime, wake up at 6:30. Within 10 minutes of waking, I opened the curtains and stood in natural light for 10 minutes while drinking water. No phone. This tells your brain daytime has started, suppressing melatonin and boosting cortisol at the right time. I felt groggy, but the light made me alert faster than coffee ever did. Day 3, fixed meal times, stabilize energy. I ate breakfast within an hour of waking, eggs plus avocado, lunch at noon, dinner by 6:30 p.m., no food after 7 p.m. This aligns digestion with your circadian rhythm. Eating late keeps you awake. I also cut caffeine after noon. The first night without late-night snacking was tough, but I slept deeper. Day 4, evening wind-down ritual. Added a 20-minute routine at 9 p.m., 5 minutes stretching, 10 minutes journaling, 3 things from the day, 3 for tomorrow, 5 minutes deep breathing. No screens. This signaled to my body that sleep was coming. I started feeling sleepy by 10 p.m., something that hadn't happened in years. Day 5, exercise timing, energy dump. 30-minute workout at 5 p.m., not too late to spike cortisol. Weight training, plus a short walk. Physical fatigue is nature's sleep aid. That night, I fell asleep in under 10 minutes. Day 6, bedroom optimization. Cool, dark, quiet. Blackout curtains, temperature at 18 degrees C, white noise machine, phone out of the room. Bed for sleep only, no reading or thinking in bed. These small tweaks made a huge difference. Day 7, consistency lock-in. Same schedule. By now, my body expected sleep at 10:30. I woke up at 6:15 without an alarm, eyes open, actually refreshed. No grogginess. Energy steady all day. The results were shocking. Day 1-3, rough, tired, irritable, cravings for late nights. Day 4 to 5, turning point, started falling asleep faster. Day 7, new normal. Waking naturally at 6 a.m., energy high, mood stable. Week 2 plus. Sleep like a baby every night. Focus doubled. Anxiety down. Workouts better. Life felt easier. The science is simple. Your body loves consistency. Fixed sleep, wake times, morning light, timed meals, and no late stimulation recalibrate your circadian rhythm in days, not weeks. Studies from the National Sleep Foundation show most people see major improvements in 7 days with strict adherence. This isn't about perfection. I still have off nights if I travel or stay up late, but I have a system to reset fast. If your sleep is broken like mine was, try this plan for 7 days. Exactly 7, no cheats. Your future self will thank you. Free 7-day sleep reset. Checklist in description. Comment your current bedtime. Mine was 2 a.m. You don't need more discipline. You need a better system. Let's fix your sleep.